Bicol on yan ni.
If you want to do it now.
Ha?
You want to do it now?
You want?
You want?
Hmm?
You won't resist.
If that's what you want.
Dirita mga guy. Ikaw, Bi? Ari mga guy. Ikaw. Ay, nani dahil mag-plate diri mga guy, no? Tingnan sa kag-train mga guy. Tara.
Ooh, automatic.
Oh. Monitoring yung driver mga guy, no?
Electric train.
There's a driver?
That's a lot. No.
You're the driver?
No.
No.
We're passing by the bridge back at Philippines.
Oh?
Doesn't
Oh,
it?
like in Mactan, right?
It does kind of look like the bridge from Philippines.
Yeah. It's like in Lapu-Lapu.
Except for trains.
Oh.
And then we enter a tunnel as soon as we reach it.
Up, 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 up. Oh, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go in the tunnel. Oh. Kanaw na ito sa mga sa train.